Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. IUPAC nomenclature of carboxylic acids with unsaturation and aryl substituents. Moving on to the next step. Identify the parent chain. The compound is PHCH is equal to CH2. The principal characteristic group is the carboxylic acid, -CH2, which determines the parent chain and must be at C1. Moving on to the next step. Count the carbon chain including the CH carbon. C1 is equal to CH carbon, C2 is equal to CH, double bond, C3 is equal to CH, double bond, attached to pH. This gives a 3-carbon chain, propanoic acid. And for the final step, locate the double bond. The double bond is between C2 and C3, so it is prop-2-enoic acid. Identify the substituent. A phenyl group, PH, is attached at C3 giving 3-phenyl prop-2-enoic acid. Evaluate other options. B. 3-phenol prop-1-enoic acid is incorrect, phenol is wrong, should be phenyl, and the double bond position is wrong, C1, C2 instead of C2, C3. Also C1 is the CH carbon, so a double bond at C1 is impossible in this context. C. 3-carboxy prop-1-Na benzene is incorrect. This treats benzene as the parent, which is not appropriate when a higher priority group, -CH, is present, and the numbering is wrong. D. But 2-enoic acid is incorrect. This implies a 4-carbon chain with no phenyl substituent. It would be CH3, CH is equal to CH2, i.e., crotonic acid. The correct IUPAC name is 3-phenyl prop-2-enoic acid. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.